Hello guys, I am Lamia. I hope you are well. Today I will shoot a video for beginners. We will improve our reading. I have already selected some convenient texts. Let's start. First one is Amanda's blog. Welcome to my blog. It's in English. Hello, I am Brazilian student. I am in Boston, Massachusetts, in the United States. I am here to learn English. The Wilsons are my American family. Peter, the husband, and Helen, the wife, have 3 children, Matt, 16, Nick, 19, and Rosie, 23. Rosie is married. They are very friendly, but they speak very fast. It's difficult to understand them. My first day at school. Today is my first English class at Boston University. It's a big school in a fun part of the city. It's near a lot of shops, cafes, and theaters. It's great. My class is very international. The students are from Mexico, Japan, Turkey, Argentina, Korea, and China. Our teacher's name is Charlotte. She's very young and she's very nice. I really like her. She's a good teacher. I love Boston. Hello again, it's great here. I love Boston. It's really interesting. I like shopping, but it's very expensive. I go to the parks. They are really beautiful. And I go to museums and galleries. The Museum of Part Arts is free for college students. I go by bus or by subway. It's very easy. The weather's okay, cold but sunny. The food is okay too, and coffee is great. There are a lot of coffee shops in Boston. Check out my photos. My next text is about engineer Andrew Johnson and zoologist Claudia Luke. Let's start to read. Andrew, 30, is an engineer. He comes from New Zealand, but now he lives in Scotland. He works on an oil rig 440 kilometers from the coast of Aberdeen. He works 12 hours a day for 2 weeks and then he has 2 weeks off. He earns 2,000 pounds, about $330 a day. In his free time, he goes to the gym and plays pool. He isn't married. Zoologist Claudia Luke. Claudia, 54, is an American. She lives in California and she is a zoologist. She is the director of 3 research stations at Sonoma State University, where she teaches and researches. Claudia studies animals such as snakes and mice in their natural environment. She loves her job and especially likes working in the mountains on the coast of California. Claudia is married to Chris. Chris is an oceanographer, so he studies the oceans. In her free time, she goes sailing and walks her dog Luna. She earns about $75,000 a year. Our next text is about Babur Ali. Let's read it. I love teaching. I'm never tired. He is 16 years old and a head teacher. Babur Ali comes from West Bengal in India. He is 16 years old and lives in the small village of Babta. His village doesn't have a school, but Babur is lucky because he goes to a private school in the next village. His school costs 1,000 rupees, $17 a year. This is too expensive for many children in Babur's village, but they want to learn. So Babur teaches them everything that he learns. More and more children want to learn, so Babur's friends help him teach. The classes are in bamboo huts, but sometimes they sit outdoors. The school is free and now has a name, the Anand Shiksha Niketan School, and Babur is the head teacher. Busy days. Babur's days are very busy. He has no free time. He gets up at 5 o'clock and in the morning and helps his mother with the housework. At 8 o'clock, he goes by bus to his school 3 miles away. He studies hard all day until 4 in the afternoon. Then he travels back to his village and at 5 he begins the classes. He teaches English, Bengali, history and math until 8 in the evening. He says, I love teaching, I am never tired. Babur's ambitions. Now the school has 650 students and 10 teachers. Babur wants to go to college, but he doesn't want to stop teaching. He says, I always want to teach poor children. Babur is really helpful as you see. Next text is about my perfect weekend. In here, Jim Callum and Bobby Brown wrote about their perfect weekend. Let's start. Jimmy Callum, songwriter and jazz pianist Jimmy Callum lives in London with his wife Sophie Dahl, the model and cookbook writer. He enjoys going to markets, French movies, and playing cards on weekends. Jamie says, in my work, I travel a lot and I stay in different hotels, so my perfect weekend is at home with my family and friends. I live in an apartment in northwest London next to my brother Ben, and on weekends I like being with him and my wife Sophie. On Friday nights we often go to a club. We all love dancing. On Saturdays we get up late and I make breakfast. That's important to me. Then I sit at my piano. It's in my kitchen and I play for a couple of hours. I don't write songs, I just play. My cat Luna listens. Sometimes in the afternoon we go shopping in the Portobello market. I love old things. I have black leather cowboy boots from there. Also, I look for old postcards. I like reading about people from the past. In the evening, we often watch a French or Japanese movie. I enjoy foreign movies. After that, I like playing cards with friends, sometimes until early Sunday morning. We sleep late on Sundays, but then I like cooking Sunday dinner, usually roast chicken. I really enjoy cooking. In the evening, I call my parents and my nan, grandma. They like hearing about my week. Bobby Brown. Bobby Brown is the founder and CEO of Bobby Brown Cosmetics. She lives with her family in a quiet suburb in New Jersey. She enjoys barbecuing, doing yoga, and listening to hip hop on weekends. Bobby says, my perfect weekend starts at home with my husband, Stephen Plofker, and my youngest son. Sometimes my older sons who are in college are there too, and we usually have a couple of exchange students, always boys. I'm often tired after a week working in the city, so I just like to relax at home on Friday nights. After work, I put on a big sweater and a pair of sneakers. Then we cook outside in the backyard. On Saturdays, I usually wake up at about 7 a.m. I make a macchiato, a strong cup of coffee, and then I read a news. At 7:30, I often do yoga or go to an exercise class at the gym. I like listening to hip hop music while I exercise. It makes me feel happy. After that, I go shopping at a farmer's market in the summer or at a store in the winter. When I get home, the boys are usually just getting up. I talk to them for a while and then I walk my dogs. In the afternoon, I sometimes go out to lunch or to a museum. We usually cook dinner at home. I like cooking healthy food. On Sundays, I often go for a walk with a friend while my husband plays golf. I love my weekends at home. After I relax all weekend, I'm ready for another busy week of work and travel. Thank you for listening. I hope you liked it. If you want to help me, then subscribe my channel and watch my previous videos if you didn't watch. I think they can also help you learn something new. See you soon. Bye bye.